Hello travel lovers and lucky people on YouTube who found this video. Your day is about to get better because you're watching another video from DC Traveler. This is my second day in this beautiful village called Ira Village. If you want to see how my first day went here, check out the playlist from the link in the description of this video. Today we are going to go out of this village to the city called Mangalore, where there's a famous seafood restaurant called Machli. And in that restaurant, I'm going to try something for the first time in my life. So keep watching. And if you like this video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon, the beautiful bell icon. So today we have decided to come to Mangalore to some famous seafood restaurant called Machli. Yeah. This restaurant was recommended by 3 people to me. So we are here now. Shell. I have not had a lot of fish. So yeah, whatever is good I'll have. Let's get the menu now first.
Price are daily change after.
So what's good?
2 thali, kattali. You boiled rice and white rice or boiled rice. You have
It's all
option.
boiled rice, huh?
Brown.
Brown. It's a brown. Huh? I'll have brown rice. Look at the menu.
Squid, prawns, crab.
Crab you eat?
Crab. I would try.
Fish. You like crab? Yeah. Crab ghee was good.
Crab without shell, more less.
Actually with shell it's good to eat.
ठीक है, then with shell.
Without shell, मजा एक
Let's have
With shell.
full experience.
Yeah.
Okay. With shell. Crab with shell.
Hey, crab are Monday.
They don't have prices listed on the menu because
So like them.
the prices of fish change every day. Okay, so what are we having? I heard rice, but what is with rice for me?
Thali.
Thali, it's a thali. So what all comes in the thali?
You'll see. You'll be surprised.
Okay, so we'll have fish thali and crab. Crab I've not had before, so this will be my
Pomfret fish.
first. Pomfret.
Yeah.
Pomfret.
Pomfret.
Pomfret. Pomfret fish, the best fish according to them. And I've never had crab before. So,
You will love it.
okay, she's saying I love it. Let's see, I want to love it. So now we'll wait for the food to arrive.
I put this one.
The restaurant is called Machli, and as I said, it came recommended by 3 different people. One was the person in my travelers group, and another friend, and then Ananya also said that this restaurant is good, so that's why we came here. Let's see.
Fish.
The thalis are here. So this is thali.
This is biryani.
So this is biryani.
Yeah. That is thali.
This is thali. And this is another thali.
We'll let the fish come and take.
So there's no fish here.
No, this is a fish.
So this is fish.
Dal part.
Which sar you want? That is dal.
There is
Later we'll
different
do.
options.
So what options are there? Dal, I'll have dal. Dal, rasam and third thing?
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Fish curry. Everything fish. Put some dal here. In this part, put dal. Chalo. Okay, thank you.
Rasam, big rasam. Rasam part.
That's rasam. What fish is this?
Butai.
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 We'll wait for the fish to come. Okay. No, you have to go.
That is crab.
This is crab.
Oh, it's so good.
Finger licking good.
And the fish has arrived. So he saw the camera and he knew that we are vlogging here. So he has decorated it for the camera. This is pomfret.
Yeah.
Crab. thali biryani. Let's dig in. What should we try first?
The crab.
The crab?
Just take like this head.
How to eat?
I'll show you.
Okay. I'm gonna learn how to eat crab now.
Right? It's quite hot.
It's hot.
Put it white like this. You crab. Then you have to open it. and
Okay.
See?
So far so good.
Oh yeah.
It's testing my patience. No, wait. I will. Crab for the first time. It's actually good.
Yeah.
It's it's very good. There's no smell of fish,
Yeah.
only goodness. Wow, the crab is good.
It's fun to eat it with shell.
Guys, we'll quickly taste everything and then I'll eat in peace because see, I'm making a mess here. It's difficult to vlog and eat all this, especially the crab together.
What is it? This is Nero's crab, right?
What is this?
That's dried prawn chutney.
Dried prawns. Prawns is also a type of fish, in case you don't know.
Eat this part. It's really good.
Okay.
This is the center of the crab.
Okay, this is the center of the crab.
If
Tummy.
you want, I will explain it. Like this is the crab.
Guys, I've decided to show you the entire eating because some people like to see everything, all the mess also. So let's watch the complete lunch. So this is crab. I've already broken the shell of it. I'm going to make a lot of mess here. This is amazing. Seriously. Crab is very good.
Yeah. You love the fish too.
My new favorite meat.
You should have it only in Mangalore. Bangalore you won't get the same.
We don't yet know the price of it though.
You can't eat the legs. I would rather to eat the legs. మళ్ళీ రేట్లో ఉన్నాయి
This is the tummy of the crab.
where you get large meat.
Yeah.
What's food done?
So much meat. I just mixed everything.
pickle, fish curry. I know, there are bones also.
Yeah. Just do this.
Okay, Ananya is telling me to do something with the crab, which is this. And what?
No, lick it.
Satisfying. Okay, you also do that. Just bite it.
Put some gravy.
No. To throw the.
Some gravy now, how? Like this. So I just got some gravy and I'm going to do this again. This is going to be a messy vlog. Let's be besharam. Let's be shameless.
You can try it on the fresh piece. It will be more good. It will be better. To finish that and do this. You like crab come here. You ask them to cut the fish. Cut much.
You can show that.
You're already into crab.
So he's cutting the fish there. The best fish. Complete. But my hands are messy, so I'm not going to touch the camera now. See. Today I'm going to be besharam. This crab is fried in ghee. The dish is called ghee roast. And ghee is also one of the things I love. Maybe that's why it's tasting so good. May be the messiest food blog on the internet. On that note, subscribe.
You eat this.
If you like messy food blogs, let me know. I'll make more messy food blogs for you.
No?
I'm not going to finish this so rice food get
The more you enjoy,
Yeah, Nandini.
the more mess you make. How much is crab?
280.
So this crab is 280 rupees. And
Every day it changes.
pomfret 440. So pomfret.
Yeah.